Good morning, students. So today I will discuss integration by partial fractions. Integration by partial fractions. Okay. So here some rational functions. If some functions are given in rational functions, so we will convert in partial fractions. Okay. So partial fractions means like a were given. You understand first this numerator, okay, upon denominator. Suppose that any fraction is given in the form of numerator upon denominator. Clear? And if degree of numerator is less than degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. Okay. So in that condition, no problem. Okay. Like that, what is given in rational form, that you integrate it. Okay. Or if degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. So one example you see like this: 1 upon a were given x plus 1, x plus 2, like that. Okay. So here rational functions we will convert into functions. Okay, means this will represent in form of two functions by addition or by subtraction. Okay. So how to convert in that form? So here numerator, that is 1, so their degree 0, and here denominator x into x, so their degree 2. So degree 0 is less than degree 2. So this we will write in form of a upon x plus 1 plus b upon x plus 2. Clear? And after that we take LCM and find a and b values. And after finding a and b values, put here, then separately integrate it. Understood? Means directly if like this. Okay, so directly we will not integrate it. So first you write in this form. Okay, and after finding a and b values, put here, then separately integrate it. Suppose that any other function also, so plus c upon. Clear? Second, degree of numerator is equal to degree of denominator. Means if both numerator and denominator their degree is same. So in that condition, first you divide numerator by denominator, like x square plus 1 upon x plus 1, x plus 2 is given. So here both, here degree, numerator their degree 2, denominator also their degree 2. So both same. So in that condition we will divide it. So denominator first you multiply it. So x square plus 2x plus x plus 2 is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 3x plus 2. Okay. So first you divide x square plus 1 by x square plus 3x plus 2. Okay. So one time, so x square plus 3x plus cancel. So minus 3x minus 1. So now degree of remainder is less than degree of divisor, so division stops. So in place of that we can write 1 plus minus 3x minus 1 upon x square plus 3x plus 2. Okay. Or minus can take common 3x plus 1 upon, in place of this again you can write x plus 1 x plus 2. Okay. And then again it is converted in first form, degree of numerator less than degree of denominator. So again this, in place of this you can write a upon x plus 1 plus b upon x plus, clear? Then take LCM and find a and b value. I will tell, by taking question I will tell that how to find a and b. First you try to understand method, what is process, by that we will find their integration. Okay, so first you break in pieces, okay, in different parts, and after that integration will be easy. Then third one, degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator. Means if degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator, then how to find? So in that also same like second one. Okay, means suppose that x cube plus 1 upon x plus 1 x plus 2 is given. So here degree of numerator 3 and degree of denominator 2. So 3 is greater than 2. So again divide it. So, means if degree of numerator greater or equal to degree of denominator, so first we convert it in first form. Okay, means degree of numerator less than degree of denominator, and that will possible by dividing. So here also first you multiply their denominators. Okay, so x square plus 3x plus 2. So they divide it. So x cube plus 1 divided by x square plus 3x plus 2. So x multiply x cube plus 3x square plus 2x, then subtract it, cancel. So minus 3x square minus 2x plus 1. So minus 3 times multiply it, square minus 9x minus 6, subtract it. Minus 2 plus 9, 7, x plus 7. Now degree of remainder is less than degree of divisor, so division stops. So this we can write x minus 3 plus remainder is 7x plus 7 upon x square plus 3x plus 2. So x minus 3 plus, then again 7x plus 7. In place of that again we can write x plus 1 and x plus 2. So x plus minus 3 plus again a upon, now degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. So a upon x plus 1 plus b upon x plus 2. Okay. And after that take LCM and simplify. So three types of rational functions are given in exercise 7.5. Okay. So first you identify. Okay. And after that, if first is given, then direct you write a upon plus b upon like that. But second and third, so first you divide it and convert it in first form, and after that you integrate it. Clear? Means first you break in functions, after that integrate it. Because without separating, without dividing in different functions, okay, cannot integrate. So page number 317 also some forms are given. So one time you see these forms also. So page number 317. Okay, some forms are given. So first form of the rational functions. Okay. So given px plus q, okay, upon x minus a, x minus b. Okay. So here a is not equal to b. So convert in that form. So px plus q upon. So degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. Okay. So a upon, we will write like this: x minus a plus b upon x minus a. Okay. Second one, px plus q upon x minus a whole square. Okay. This second. So here x minus a whole square. So here also degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. So also we can write a upon x minus a plus b upon, here a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus a whole square, like this we will write. Okay. So when you do some questions, you will know that how to write. Okay. Third one, px square plus qx plus r upon x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. So here also degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. So write a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus b plus c upon x minus c. Okay. Fourth form, px square plus qx plus r upon x minus a whole square into x minus b. So a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus a whole square plus c upon x minus b. Okay. One more also given fifth. So px square plus qx plus r upon x minus a in next bracket x square plus bx plus c. Okay. So this a upon x minus a plus here x square plus, so here we will write bx plus c upon. Okay. X square plus bx plus c. So after writing this form, you have to find a, b and c values, and how to find that I will tell you by exercise questions. Okay. So now we can start exercise 7.5. Okay. So and some examples are also given. So first you try to do some examples. Okay. Then start exercise. So I am starting this exercise 7.5. So exercise 7.5, question number 1. upon x plus 1 into x plus 2. So first you convert in partial fractions. Okay. So here degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. So directly you write in that form. Okay. So a upon x plus 1 plus b upon x plus 2. Okay. Means first you write in this form, and after writing in this form you find a and b values. Okay. So take LCM. So x plus 1 into x plus 2 divided by this. So a x plus 2 plus b x plus 1, and here x upon. So their denominator cancel both sides. So x is equal to a x plus 2 plus b x plus 1. So for finding a and b values, so coefficient of a or coefficient of b you put 0. So coefficient of a is x plus 2. So x plus 2 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 2. So putting x is equal to minus 2. Okay, we get. So in this you put, so minus 2 is equal to a minus 2 plus 2 plus b minus 2 plus 1. So this 0, so b into minus 1 is equal to this. So b is equal to 2. And for finding a, then putting coefficient of b 0 means x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1. Again putting x is equal to minus 1 we get. So in that you put minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to a minus 1 plus 2 plus b minus 1 plus 1. So this will be 0. So this minus 1 is equal to 1 into a means a is equal to minus 1. Clear? So in place of a and b now you can put. Okay. So this is also you have to do in notebook. Okay. So in place of this a means minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus b 2 upon x plus. So now you integrate it. So now you write x upon x plus 1, okay, x plus 2 dx is equal to. So in place of this, can write this. So separately you integrate it. Plus 2 upon x plus 2 dx. So minus 1 can take common. So 1 upon x plus 1 dx plus, okay, 2 also can take common. So 1 upon x plus 2 dx. So x plus 1 take t. Okay, here you can take t. So dx is equal to dt. And x plus 2 is equal to u. So dx is equal to du. So this dt upon t plus 2 du upon u. So minus this log t mod t plus log 2 log mod u plus constant. So minus log t means x plus 1 plus 2 log u means x plus 2 plus constant. Okay, so also can write this n log n. So log x plus 2 whole square, and after that log x plus 2. So log n minus log n. This also you can write 7.51. Okay, you can write like this. So log, okay, x plus 2 whole square upon mod x plus 1 plus constant. This will be our clear. So like first second question, 1 upon x square minus 9. So x square minus 9, x minus 3, x plus 3 you can write. So a upon x minus 3 plus b upon x plus 3. Find a and b and then do this. Third one, 3x minus 1 upon, so a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x minus 2 plus c upon x minus 3. Fourth one also like that. Fifth one, denominator, first you factorize it. So their factors will be x plus 2, x plus 1. Then a upon x plus 1 plus b upon x plus 2. And sixth one, here degree of numerator and denominator both same. Okay, so this I will tell you in next video. Okay, thank you.